Hello friends, this is Bilal Haider. In this video part we are going to learn about another array method which is going to be very helpful. So let's say we have an array like this where we have some elements in it. They're all strings or numbers, okay, because this method is going to work with these two things, maybe also boolean. So but it definitely won't work with I guess JSON objects. Okay, so what we are going to what is our goal, basically what we want to do. So we have this array here and it has some elements in it, and we want to convert them into a one string. Okay, so we have these elements in it, and what we want to achieve basically is we want to achieve this banana, orange, apple, mango. We want to achieve this, right? So we want to convert this array and all its elements into a string value for whatever reason. It can have several use cases. Maybe you're building an API for a backend which only needs you to send a string or a text value to it, and it won't accept a string, or it won't accept an array, right? So that is one use case. You may need this method. So we are basically converting our array into a string. That's what our goal is. So how can we do that? So there are actually two methods to do this, and I will teach both of them to you. So for in this video part I'm only talking about one of them. So I want to keep things different for people. So if someone is searching on YouTube for one method, so he reaches the one video, right? And if he's searching for the other method, he can reach my other video. So even though they do both of them do the same thing, a little bit differently though, but I will put them in separate videos. So in this video part I'm showing you one of them. So let me create a variable and call it into string, right? And this is very simple actually. So you do fruits dot to string. That's it. That's all you need to do. That's all what you need to do. And now you have in your into underscore string variable, you have your array converted into a string value. Alright, so there you go. So this method can be useful in many scenarios. Like I told you, you are building an API for a device maybe, or for something, right? And it only accepts a string, right? It won't understand what an array is. So you need to convert your array into a string and then send this string instead. Okay, so this can be very useful, so I thought I should share this one with you. Let's actually, while we are here, let's actually go ahead and do it with numbers. Okay, so let me put some numbers. My computer is dead slow, so don't mind that. So if I run this now, you see that it converts the numbers into a string as well. So it converts them into a string, it joins them together, and um, it returns a string value which we can store in a variable, and then we can use it later on. So this was pretty much all for this video part. In the next video we will learn about another method which does exactly the same thing, but um, with a little bit extra work that it does. So you will see in the next video, so stay tuned.